Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to put images side by side in Notion. So first, \image in order to add an image, and then select the image, click on upload and upload file. Here upload your first image and then my second image. So again, \image, click on image, click on upload file and then select image 2. Now, as you can see, once you have these two images selected, you can see that here appears this little icon and you can drag to move it. So just drag to move your image next to it. Once this blue line appears, then release it. And as you can see, your images are side by side. You can also make image bigger or smaller if you want, or move this column like so to expand it automatically. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.